All right, chapter 7, here we go. Musical expression. Let's talk about tempo and dynamics. The pace of music is the speed of music. That's what tempo means, the speed of music. Now, how fast or how slow music goes really has an emotional aspect to it. It really gives the music some character, different feelings. Think about a slow song versus a fast, upbeat dance song. You get the idea. Because Italy was supreme in development of music from around 1600 to 1750 when we were really getting solidified with musical notation. A lot of these markings in music are still today written in Italian. So here's a few examples of that. Grave, largo, adagio, andante, moderato, allegro. Those are how you indicate the speed in a kind of a general term. If you wanted specific, which later it was specific, you would notate beats per minute, and that's what we use a metronome for. Sometimes they would add these modifiers like molto, meno, poco, non troppo, which gives you, a little less fast, molto or meno or whatever. You might want to change the tempo, an acceleration, accelerando, or a ritardando, getting slower gradually. Or if you want to go back to the tempo you originally were in, it's called a tempo. And then dynamics is the volume, not the speed, but the volume. We've got Italian words. So we've got piano, meaning soft, or forte, meaning loud, and everything else in between. You can either indicate it with the full word, or most of the time they're indicated with those letters, P, 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 MP, MF, F, and FF, fortissimo, forte, mezzo forte, etc. Again, you might want to gradually get louder, crescendo, or gradually get softer, decrescendo, or sforzando, maybe a sudden accent. So the use of tempo and dynamics really shapes music, really gives it some expression. This really started developing into the 18th and 19th centuries. It gave music a lot more color and flair. And many times it's left up to the role of the performer. The performer, if the composer doesn't indicate it, can decide what to do with it. Most of the time, though, within the 18th and 19th centuries, it was indicated by the composer. Later on, it was given, especially once we get to the Romantic period, it was given a lot of more freedom to the performer to decide. Um, Here's an example of some contrasting both tempos and dynamics. Think about the famous Beethoven Symphony Number 5. Ba 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 bum, ba 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 bum, ba 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 bum, ba 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 bum. Anyway, I'm not going to do the whole vocal version of a symphony, but it's really loud in the beginning. That's that double F, fortissimo. The tempo, allegro con brio. There it is, notated right there. That little bird's eye is called a fermata. And you see where the P is indicated later. That P is soft, all right? So after it departs from the first two big statements, then it goes softer, adding to the drama. Thank you.